Hello everyone, this is Mike Bryant. I'm with Jackson Contracting and my website is metalroofbuilder.com. Today we are in beautiful Thorntown, Indiana. I'm going to say it's about 60 degrees the week before Thanksgiving. And what we're looking at here is a custom home that has shingles and standing seam metal accents, which is a very popular strategy that a lot of the home builders and designers are using to really make the home pop. You can see the countryside here overlooking kind of a valley. It's deer season, so I know a lot of people that might be watching this would love to be out in the woods hunting deer right now. But anyway, we just wanted to kind of give you an idea of the type of work that we do. In this case here, the panels are smooth. And a lot of folks worry about a concept that's called oil canning. So what we've done here today is to minimize the oil canning, we're using 24 gauge metal, which is a thicker metal. A lot of people use 26 gauge metal. And if you're going to use 26 gauge metal with smooth panels, you have a much higher probability of oil canning. So what we've done here is they're actually not totally smooth. There's two small striations on either side of the panel along the rib, and that strengthens the panel, again making it less likely to oil can. And maybe you can see that. I don't know if you can zoom in a little bit on that. You can see that striation, that single striation along the rib. So the color here is matte black, and we have a snowbar along the eaves to catch the snow so it won't rip the gutters off during the wintertime with snowstorms and ice.